Wouldn't it be wonderful to have an app which can detect where a device fallen down? So I created the one for you. It can immediately detect where a device fallen and instantly sends the location to the registered mobile number by using GPS. You can see on the screen. It will be simply a Google Map link. The user can simply click on that link and just track back its device where it is fallen. Just see how am I using this app and tracing back to the location where it is fallen. I was lucky enough to have this app on my device. So now it's your turn. Install it and never lose your device. You will get a download link in down description. The link will take you to this website, which is the official website of my brand new app, which is Fall Detector. You can see the features what this app provide to you and permission, why this app using the particular permission, and finally you can see the live use case, how this app will going to work in the real world. You can just watch it. And finally you can get a download button to directly download, and you can contact me if you want. So I will just go to the top and click on download. The moment you click on download, it will going to download the app for you. It is just 5 MB, less than 5 MB actually, and you can just install this app once download is completed. And let's open this app once installed. Okay, so here I am on my screen. Now I'll open this app. This is the first time I'm opening, so this is fresh install. First time it will going to show you the attention or alerts about why the particular permission or why that particular permission is being taken from you, and you can just read it out. Everything is so transparent. Your data is totally safe. It's not going to transfer over the server, so you have to accept the permission if you want to use this app. Once you accepted all the permissions, you have to click on setting icon, which is in the right bottom corner. Once you click on setting, you have to give the phone number on which you wish to receive the SMS when the fall is detected. This is important. Just make sure you give the right phone number. Just check it out 1 or 2 times, and then you can give the sensitivity. I would recommend to keep it at medium, and you can just try falling your device down and see if it detects or not. So click on register once you've given all the information. Now you have to enable the location, and now it is super important. Open the recent menu tab. Make sure to lock this in the background so that it can run freely, and you have to go in settings of app info of this and make sure you apply no restriction. Operating system is not applying any of the restrictions on this app. I am using MI device, so it might be different, a bit different in your case. Now you can click on start tracking and just put it in your pocket and close your device, whatever you want to, and it will going to start the tracking. When you are done, just stop